Hello everyone, welcome to Leo and Lila. I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila. Today, we're teaching you real English.
That's right. Today's topic, how native speakers really talk at work.
Not textbook English, real office English.
Yes, because native speakers don't say, "Good morning, colleague."
No, they say things like, hey, or what's up?
Exactly. So today we'll show you casual work phrases.
The kind of English you'll actually hear in offices.
Let's start. Have you worked in an English-speaking office?
Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like this video.
Okay, first thing, greetings at work.
In textbooks, you learn, "Good morning, how are you today?"
But native speakers say, hey, how's it going?
Or just "morning."
Very casual.
Or even, "What's up?" or "How are you doing?"
And here's the important part. You don't need a long answer.
Right. If someone says, "How's it going?" you just say, "Good. You?"
Or not bad. Or pretty good.
Super quick.
Let's practice. I'll greet you like a native speaker.
Okay.
Hey, what's up?
"Hey, not much. You?"
Same. Just working on that report.
"Oh, yeah. How's that going?"
Oh, it's taking forever.
"I feel you."
And see? Very casual.
"I feel you" means I understand. Native speakers use it all the time.
Another common phrase is, what's up, doesn't always need a real answer. You can just say, hey, back.
All right. That was mistake number 1 fixed.
See? Not so difficult, right?
Remember, I agree. Practice it every day.
Now, let's move on to mistake number 2.
Lila, what's the second most common mistake?
This one is about asking questions.
Oh, questions are important.
Yes, because we ask questions all the time in English.
At work, with friends, when learning.
But many learners make the same mistake with questions.
Have you ever asked someone how to say this?
Many people say this.
It sounds logical, but there's a problem.
Let me show you the mistake and the correct way.
I'm ready to learn.
Okay, here we go.
Now, let's talk about meetings.
Oh, meetings.
In meetings, native speakers use lots of casual phrases.
Like, let's touch base.
Touch base means let's talk or let's meet.
Or can we circle back to this?
Circle back means come back to this topic later.
Very common.
Another one, I'll loop you in.
Loop you in means I'll include you or I'll update you.
Let's practice a mini meeting. You start.
Okay. Hey everyone, thanks for coming. So we need to discuss the new project.
Yeah, I wanted to touch base about the timeline.
Good idea. Can we circle back to that in a minute? I want to cover the budget first.
Sure, no problem.
Oh, and I'll loop you in on the email thread later.
See, these phrases are everywhere.
Touch base, circle back, loop you in.
You'll hear them constantly. Another meeting phrase, let's take this offline.
This means let's discuss this privately, not in the meeting.
Or let's park this for now.
Park means let's stop discussing this and come back later.
Very useful. Now, what about asking for help at work?
Good question. Native speakers don't say, excuse me, could you assist me?
That's too formal. They say, hey, can you help me with something?
Or got a sec, which means do you have a second?
Or, quick question. Let's practice. Ask me for help.
Okay. Hey, got a sec?
Yeah, what's up?
I'm stuck on this Excel formula. Can you take a look?
Sure, let me see.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
No problem.
You're a lifesaver is a common thank you phrase.
It means you really help me.
Now let's talk about small talk.
Small talk is super important at work.
By the coffee machine, in the elevator, before meetings.
Common topics, weekend plans, weather, sports.
Let's practice coffee machine small talk.
Okay. Hey, how was your weekend?
It was good, just relaxed at home. You?
Nice. I went hiking. The weather was perfect.
Oh, cool. Where did you go?
Up in the mountains. It was beautiful.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I need to do that.
Yeah, you should. It's really nice.
Definitely. Well, back to work.
Yeah. See you later.
See, very casual and friendly.
Now, what about when things go wrong at work?
Oh, yes. Mistakes happen.
If you make a mistake, don't panic.
Native speakers say, my bad, which means my mistake.
Or, oops, sorry about that.
Or, I dropped the ball on this, which means I made a mistake.
Let's act out a mistake situation.
Okay.
Hey, did you send that email to the client?
Oh no! Embarrassed. My bad. I completely forgot.
It's okay. Can you send it now?
Yeah, I'm on it.
No worries. Just get it out today.
Will do. Thanks for the reminder.
I'm on it means I'll do it right now.
Very common phrase.
Will do means I will do that.
Now let's talk about leaving work.
At the end of the day, native speakers don't say, goodbye, I am departing now.
No.
They say, I'm heading out, or I'm taking off.
Or, see you tomorrow, or just later.
Very casual.
Let's practice end-of-day conversation.
All right, I'm heading out. See you guys tomorrow.
Have a good night.
You too. Don't stay too late.
I won't. Just finishing up this one thing.
Famous last words.
I know.
All right, later.
Later.
Now, famous last words is a joke phrase.
It means we've all said that before, but ended up staying late. Now, one important thing. Understand the difference between formal and casual.
Right. With your boss or clients, be a bit more formal.
But with coworkers, you can be casual.
For example, to your boss, could I speak with you for a moment?
To a coworker, hey, got a sec?
Same meaning, different levels of formality.
Always read the room.
Read the room means understand the situation. Okay, let's review the most important phrases.
First, greetings.
What's up? How's it going? Morning.
Second, meeting phrases.
Touch base. Circle back. Loop you in. Take this offline.
Third, asking for help.
Got a sec? Quick question? Can you help me with something?
Fourth, thank you phrases.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks so much.
Fifth, mistakes.
My bad. I dropped the ball. Oops. Sorry.
Sixth, action phrases.
I'm on it. Will do.
Seventh, leaving work.
I'm heading out. I'm taking off. Later.
These are the most common phrases.
You'll hear them every day in offices.
Now, viewers, your homework.
Write in the comments, which phrase will you use first?
Or tell us, do you use any of these at work?
We want to know.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Leo and Lila.
We make new videos every day.
Real English for real situations.
Now, go practice these phrases.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Later.
Later. See what he did there? Later.